Communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are those that can spread from one person to another. These diseases are caused by microorganisms called germs. They can be seen only under powerful microscopes. Some of the communicable diseases caused by germs are as follows. Serial number: germs, diseases. 1. Bacteria: cholera, tuberculosis, typhoid, pneumonia, tetanus, meningitis. 2. Viruses: polio, common cold, flu, chickenpox, dengue, AIDS. 3. Protozoa: malaria, dysentery. 4. Fungi: food poisoning, ringworm. Spread of communicable diseases. Germs travel from a sick person's body in communicable diseases and enter a healthy person's body to cause disease and infection. This can happen in the following ways. Through contaminated food and water. If food and water are not stored well, they may get infected with germs. Germs come through insects such as cockroaches, houseflies, and small animals such as rats. Eating infected food and drinking contaminated water cause many diseases. Typhoid, diarrhea, cholera, and jaundice are some diseases that spread through infected food and water. Through the air. The germs of diseases float in the air. When a person suffering from cough, common cold, or tuberculosis sneezes, the germs present in his or her throat and lungs are thrown out in the air. These germs float in the air. When a healthy person breathes this air, the germs enter his or her body and make him or her sick. Common cold, diphtheria, viral fever, whooping cough, and measles spread through the air. Through insects. Some insects like mosquitoes, fleas, and bugs also spread diseases. They bite the sick person and suck infected blood. When they bite a healthy person, germs pass into the healthy person's body. Mosquitoes spread malaria and dengue, and rat fleas spread plague. Through direct contact. Touching an infected person or his or her clothing or other things used by him or her can pass on germs. Chickenpox, whooping cough, ringworm, and measles are spread through direct contact. Through damaged skin. Germs can easily enter the body if the skin is cut or damaged. The germs of tetanus spread through damaged skin. Prevention of communicable diseases. Hygiene. Hygiene may be defined as practices that help ensure cleanliness and good health. Good hygiene helps in preventing diseases. The following steps can help maintain proper hygiene. We must keep our surroundings clean. We must take proper care of our hair and keep our nails trimmed. We must take proper care of our teeth. We should have a bath daily. It is also important to wash hands with soap before having food and after going to the toilet. Vaccination. The communicable diseases are prevented by an effective vaccination. Vaccines are made of small quantities of very weak germs of a particular disease. Vaccines are injected into the body of children. When they enter the body produces substances which are capable of fighting the germs of that disease. This is called immunity against a particular disease. Vaccination is given between the age of 0 to 10 years. Other precautions. The patients suffering from communicable diseases must be kept in complete isolation from the rest of the family members and other people. All the articles used by the patient, such as towel, utensils, etc., should be kept separate. Keep your toilets neat and clean. They should be washed with disinfectants like phenyl or toilet cleaner. All the food items or eatables must be kept well covered. Water used for drinking should be boiled. The houses and its surroundings should always be kept clean. Points to remember. We get different types of nutrients from food like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. We cannot get all the nutrients from any one kind of food, so we must take a balanced diet. A healthy person is physically and mentally fit in all respects. There are mainly two types of diseases: communicable diseases, non-communicable diseases. The diseases caused due to the deficiency of nutrients are called deficiency diseases. Communicable diseases are caused by bacteria, viruses, and protozoa. Communicable diseases spread through various sources like contaminated food and water, through air, through insects, etc. Good hygiene helps in preventing diseases. Vaccination is an effective way of preventing communicable diseases.